Good day everyone, welcome back to another episode of Great White North Corvette. Today we will be putting on some guards to protect the radiators on the front. It's been winter up here in Canada and there's been lots of snow, so that's why I haven't really made any videos. Here are the new radiator covers we have here. Approximately 300 bucks. They are metal, honeycomb shape. They're installed with double-sided tape so they can be easily removed. They don't really recommend these on track use, so we'll put it on track to find out what the reason is. All right guys, here we go. I'm gonna start with cleaning up the area for the 3M stickies to work properly. Wiping it down with a microfiber, and then I'll be using alcohol pads. Make sure there's no oils left on the areas where the tape will be going.
Well, my dad just went inside for a smoke break, so I'm gonna wipe the area down with the alcohol swabs that they give you.
Okay, we have all the area cleaned and prepped up now.
Yeah, it says at the top the tabs stick out, and then the bottom the tabs go in. So when you're looking like down at it,
okay,
you can't see any of the tabs. This is where the lip sticks to this inside black area here. All right, so we pulled all the tape off the bottom. That's what the instructions say to do. You put the tape down on the bottom first, and then you angle it up and in. And then here we have the top piece that fits right in here. It's upside down, but yeah, this piece fits right up in there. So that's what this side looks like now that it's done. Looks pretty good, I think. What do you think?
Yeah, I really love it. I like the way it looks.
It's a little dark here. I don't know if you can see the difference of, that's the original.
If you look at it on an angle, it's even got like a little purple little shine to it.
Yep. All right, we're putting in the other side now. You kind of put it in like the bottom on an angle. All right, so we're putting the top piece in now. Same as the bottom, you kind of put the bottom in first. And then I have the tops kind of folded here so I can pull them out. They give you zip ties to secure them in, but like I don't think these things would go anywhere.
Now we have some protection, because those radiators, they get chewed up pretty quick. Thanks to Logan's install here.
So that's the radiator covers installed. They look pretty good. The installation probably only took about 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes in total with the cleaning and wiping it down with the alcohol wipes. I think they look pretty good. Definitely going to stop the rocks from chewing up the radiators because the C8 radiators are pretty exposed. What do you think? You like how they look?
Good job. Love them. Now let's go for a ride.
Do you like how they look like more than the stock, or?
Yeah, in my opinion, I do like them better than stock.
I do like that you can't see the silver of the radiators. It kind of makes the front end look a little more.
The black,
Yeah.
The black pops a lot better.
So what do you think the next modification is going to be?
Next modification. I don't know, I'm open for ideas. Why don't you guys shoot me a few comments?
I'm trying to convince him not to paint anything else red.
I was thinking maybe a few more red things. I would like to get the rims maybe chromed. That might be the next one.
He's looking for a set of chrome rims.
Yeah, so if anybody's got some chrome rims out there for the C8 Corvette, get a hold of me in the comments.
The tires are still currently towed in from the track event too that we went to, so. Are you gonna get the tires towed back to regular, or are you gonna keep them in track?
I think I'm gonna keep them in track.
The tires wear out a little faster, but we don't really go too far in it.
The honeycomb seems to match on the rear here as the same as we just installed on the front.
So is that it for this video, Dad?
Yeah. Our video's coming soon.